Hello guys, so today it's a new vlog and today's vlog guys we have this new product from Zhiyun, the Zhiyun Molus B500 which is the COB light bicolor, and today we're gonna unbox and check, and also we'll use the application using the application to connect to the Zhiyun Molus B500. So, and guys, without further ado, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So, and so before we start, guys, we will check the highlights of this Xeon Molus B500. Again, it's good for professional use or for content creator, vloggers. So, this is a good lights, guys. And for production company, yeah, it's a good lights because it's again this is already a bicolor lights, meaning it's from 2700 Kelvin up to 6500 Kelvin. Direct AC power, onboard control. You have application again, CRI 95, TLCI 97, and active cooling is already on this light. And again, this is a Bowens mount, so you can use any Bowens modifiers from Godox, Bowens, Potex, Nanlite, and Aperture. So, and guys, yeah, let's start to unbox. Okay, so this is the box. First, you have your modifiers, the standard reflector, and so this is the standard reflector. Okay, the Bowens mount. So this is the Bowens mount, guys. Hello, and of course you have your cable, AC power adapter. You have your manuals. This is a very important manuals, guys. Especially there's a link here. Where to download the app. So you have a barcode scanner or code scanner or QR scanner to download the application, and yeah, you have your manual and tutorial. So and again, of course, the light itself, uh, quite heavy. Yeah. So this is the Molus B. Yeah, Molus B500, 500 watts. So again, you can see here you have two two knobs. One is for CCT control, and the other one is dim control. And so if you want to go to the function menu, I think you need to press both side. You go for the function menu, and you have one, two, and three fan. Switch on and off button. It's already from down. And guys, let's try to check the light. Hello guys, so yeah, let's try to use the lights, and we will try also to connect to the application. So on, then the wire, of course, don't forget the wire. So let's turn on the lights, and yes, so this is the light, guys. Okay, so this is the light. You have a small LCD for the menu. Again, this is your CCT, and this is your CCT control. Can dim, and this one is for dim. You have two buttons. If you switch all together, so you can go to the menu, to the main menu. Yeah, so you can control the Bluetooth reset. You can make reset your Bluetooth. Then, and guys, your CCT, and and so this is your CCT control from 2700 up to 6500 Kelvin, and this is your dim. See how it's bright there for 100%. So guys, so let's try to download and connect to the application. Before I scan, let's scan. So guys, again, this is the QR. So let's scan. And guys, so this is the application. It's called ZY Vega. So let's open the ZY Vega. And It's the application. Just easy. Just make like for me, I have a customized set already. Okay. Yeah. So I have a customized set. I make a customized set. Yeah. So I have already the Molus B500. Or if you want to make it a new one, just press this plus button. Yeah, plus button. Then you can name your set. But I have already made a set. Then if you want to check more about the lights from Xeon, you can add plus here to add. Of course, we have the Molus B500, 300, 200, and 100. So you can, for example, I have the Molus 500. I make a reset. Now I have a full control for the lights. See, for the dim, for the tungsten, I can, let's see here. See, you can make a tungsten and daylight. From tungsten to daylight. Um, I have also effects. Can do effects. Tungsten, modeling light, fluorescent light, sunlight, xenon lamp. Oh, we have your sets already. Um, okay, so I can off and on and off. If off, still open here. The sleep mode. From the back, it will be sleep mode. So again, turn on. Then yeah, guys. So this is the Molos 500 watts from Zio. And guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this Molos B500, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Or if you want to check all the Xeon product that we have here available in AB World, again, check our website www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.